All right, so what do you miss most about school?
Um, I miss seeing my friends, and I miss the work not being annoying.
What do you miss the least about school?
Um, it's super cold at school, and I can't do my work in a blanket.
Hmm. What else?
Um, there's some mean kids at school.
Okay. Do you like learning online?
No, I hate it
Why do you hate it?
because um, it's too hard to control. Um, Often I don't really have anybody to talk with me about doing the work that we're doing. Sometimes my teacher throws really random stuff at me that we haven't even discussed at all. Um, and I'm just stuck and I don't know what to do.
Do you think you're learning as much as you would have learned while you were in school?
Um, Actually, I think we're learning just a little bit less because we would be learning every single second of the time that we're there, aside from our breaks, like recesses and lunch.
What makes you excited to go back to school?
I miss my friends so much, and I just want to see them again.
Is there anything else that you're excited about?
Um, oh, in fifth grade, um, since my art teacher wasn't able to do the pottery wheel with me,
Mm-hmm.
um, the fifth grade art teacher owes me a pottery wheel turn.
Awesome. Thank you.